Congratulations on picking up a PrimeWire smart home device. If you need help downloading or adding your new device to the app, please refer to our other videos. On the main screen, you will see the devices that have been added to your Prime app. Tap the device you wish to edit to begin working with its desired functions. To start, you can turn the device on and off by pressing the power icon. The screen will be dark when the outlets are off and light when they are on. You can create a countdown timer for the device to turn off after a specified time by simply pressing the countdown feature at the bottom and setting the hours and minutes till the device turns off. If the device is currently off, the time set will be till the device turns back on. You may also use the device as a timer. Simply tap Schedule and then Add Timer to enter timer setup. You may now choose when you want your device to turn on or off by scrolling through the time. Using the timer settings, you can set up multiple timers and enable or disable the timers at any time. For each timer setting, you may choose any combination of days throughout the week to follow. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to get the most out of your Prime smart home device.